So here's how I'm using Claude to track all of my Instagram Reels and my YouTube posts. So essentially what I have is an Obsidian folder full of all my different posts, right? And this could be like Instagram Reels or it could be YouTube videos, etc. But each one basically gets an MD file, so basically a note. And then you can see within this, the actual file itself has some front matter properties, and it shows the date that it went live, the topics that I'm talking about, the links to the actual videos. And then I've also included some stats. So I've got IG stats here and then YouTube stats here, right? And then when I'm actually creating the post, I'll ask Claude to help me create the concept, what's within it, and even after I've created the post to actually pull the transcript. So the general working process is that I will ask Claude, for example, create a video idea of how I'm using Claude to track my YouTube and Instagram videos. And what it's going to do is it's going to read my video template. So I've actually got a template within Obsidian which shows it how I like posts to be created, right? So generally I want the note to look like this, right? With these kinds of properties and with these details. So you can see it's now created the note. So here it is, how I'm using Claude to track my YouTube and Instagram video. And then after I've done recording this and after I've posted it, I will then simply ask Claude, pull in the statistics for this video, how I'm using Claude to track my YouTube and Instagram videos. And now I'm able to do this because I've also integrated the actual Instagram APIs, right? So I'll show you what I have. So down here, I've denoted exactly how I've done it. So I've got an Instagram Analytics API, and I've also integrated the YouTube Analytics API, right? And because I have that, it's able to pull in that data, right? As you can see here, how to ingest Kindle book notes into Obsidian. I've got the Instagram data here and the YouTube data here as well. And then of course, within Obsidian, you're actually able to create bases as well, which is super useful. So if I show you what this looks like, I've got a base here, which shows all of my posts, right? You can see here, I've got all the different posts listed here. So ideas, those that have been published. And then also if I wanted to get a bit more details here, so I can filter these by the ones that have been scheduled and all this kind of information as well. So that's how I'm tracking my YouTube videos and my Instagram posts using Obsidian.